Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. A good deal. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.